In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a poll in Outgrow, and by the end of it, you'll be able to create interactive, engaging polls for your audience in just minutes. Whether you're looking to gather feedback or boost engagement, polls are a powerful tool, and Outgrow makes it incredibly easy to create them. Stick around till the end, where I'll share how you can access an exclusive extended free trial to this software. First, let's dive into Outgrow's dashboard. When you log in, you'll see an intuitive interface that makes creating polls a breeze. To get started, click on the Create New button, and from the list of options, choose Poll. This will open up a template that you can fully customize to suit your needs. Now, you're probably wondering what kind of polls you can create. Outgrow allows you to create everything from simple multiple choice polls to more complex surveys. You can use these for anything from market research to collecting customer preferences. Polls are great for businesses looking to engage with their audience, and Outgrow lets you do it in a way that's both visually appealing and functional. Once you've selected poll, you'll be taken to the editor where you can add your questions. Outgrow gives you a lot of flexibility in the types of questions you can use, whether that's single answer questions, multiple choice options, or even sliders for more interactive responses. The drag and drop editor makes it easy to change the order of questions, remove them, or add new ones. Next, let's talk about design. Outgrow offers various customization options to make your poll stand out. You can change the colors, fonts, and backgrounds to match your brand. If you're running this poll on your website or social media, you'll want it to reflect your brand identity, and Outgrow makes that process simple. You can even add images and videos to make the poll more engaging. One of the coolest features of Outgrow is its conditional logic. This means you can set up rules so that based on the answers a user gives, the next set of questions can change dynamically. For example, if someone answers a question a certain way, you can direct them to a follow-up question that's more relevant to them. This makes your poll feel much more personalized and interactive. Once your poll is designed, it's time to test it. Outgrow allows you to preview your poll to make sure everything looks and works just the way you want it. You can even simulate user responses to see how the poll behaves based on different inputs. When you're ready to launch, Outgrow provides you with multiple options to share your poll. You can embed it on your website, share it via a direct link, or even integrate it with your email campaigns. The integration with platforms like HubSpot, MailChimp, and Zapier makes it easy to automatically capture responses and use that data in your marketing campaigns. Finally, let's talk about analytics. Outgrow provides detailed reports on how your poll is performing. You can see how many people took the poll, what answers were the most popular, and gain deeper insights into your audience's preferences. This data is invaluable for making informed decisions and refining your marketing strategies. And don't forget, if you want to start using Outgrow yourself, you can access it for free through the first link in the description below with our exclusive extended trial. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger marketing team, Outgrow makes it easy to design and analyze polls that help you connect with your audience and grow your business. So if you're ready to create polls that engage and convert, check out Outgrow today and make sure to grab your free trial with the exclusive bonus. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.